Is YooFibre the next big fiber supplement, or just another internet provider in disguise? Here's the deal. If you've been searching for YooFibre fiber supplements, what you'll mostly find is YooFibre, a UK broadband company, not a health product. So, is YooFibre a scam? Not exactly. The supplement doesn't seem to exist at all, so it can't be legit or a scam. If you're hunting for a real fiber supplement, stick to these tips. First, check for clear ingredients and sourcing. Know what's in the bottle and where it's from. Second, look for third-party testing by groups like NSF or USP. This means it's actually been checked for quality. Third, demand scientific proof. Stay skeptical of miracle claims with no clinical backing. Fourth, check the company's reputation and read independent reviews. Watch out for fake testimonials. Bottom line, make sure you're buying a real tested supplement, preferably one that's not also selling broadband. And of course, always talk to your doctor before starting anything new.